Greetings, y'all. This is Elijah from Financial Anatomy, and let me welcome you to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Venmo app, and don't forget that this is a place where you can learn more about personal finance and apps that involve money. On our last video, we covered how to buy cryptocurrency, which if you haven't checked that out, you can do so by clicking the link that's on the screen right now. Assuming that you have cryptocurrency in your Venmo account, we're going to cover how to sell it. You want to start off by opening the Venmo account up, or the Venmo app up rather, and then you want to go to where it says crypto. As we see, my Bitcoin that I bought in this last video is showing. Just click on sell. And if Venmo doesn't have any tax information on your account, you may be asked to submit this before you can move forward. You'll then be showing your crypto, which in my case is Bitcoin. I'm going to click on it. And then you enter the amount that you want to sell. If you want to sell all of that crypto, just click where it says sell all, and then it will be the digital currency. It will then show you the details of the transaction, and when you're ready, click on sell now. After this, the transaction will officially be processing, and you'll be awarded credit immediately if you want to use it to buy other cryptocurrency. If you click on view details, the transaction has gone through and the Bitcoin has been sold. Just as extra confirmation, if you click on your Me icon at the bottom of the screen, you'll see that money is now in your Venmo balance and not in your crypto balance. That does it for this video. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out my Venmo playlist to address other questions that people have had in the video format. Like the video if you found value in it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.